Welcome to the Roadie, your favorite road trip companion. With this app, travelers are finally able to track the weather on a route and much more. Upon registration, user information is sent to my Flash server and saved to my Postgres database. My designing was done with CSS and Bootstrap. Throughout the app, you will see that my buttons were inspired by traffic lights. My favorite and most complex feature that I was able to implement is the weather app. I enhanced the to and from fields with an autocomplete feature and utilized two APIs, Google API and Weather API. The Weather API can only detect the weather in one location at a time, and it doesn't have a routing feature. To overcome this hurdle, I used the Google Routes API and extracted the waypoints of the route. This allowed me to display the current weather status of each waypoint. This was definitely a challenge, but I was able to learn a lot, such as researching and understanding API documents and how to extract and utilize data from the JSON files that companies provide. I know for me, I'm always leaving something behind, so it was important for me to add to-do lists. With the use of Ajax and Jinja, I was able to populate a new to-do list for a trip right here on the page. Once a trip is saved, it can be viewed or edited. My fetch request in JavaScript grabs the associated to-do ID and list ID, which helps this process be seamless by querying SQL Alchemy and applying the new edits. I also included a hotel map, which is implemented using Google Maps API. Last but not least, I developed a gas calculator with JavaScript and styled it with my own custom CSS. This calculator is extremely helpful when budgeting for a trip or getting an idea of how many stops will be needed for gas. I personally used this app on a recent trip I took, and it was accurate and very helpful. For more information on the Roadie, please visit my GitHub and feel free to reach out to me on LinkedIn. Thanks so much for your time.